How to save money. Step 1. Review your spending habits. If you want to determine how to save money, you need to figure out how to spend less of it. Many bank statements incorporate categorized spending reports. These can provide a good sense of where your money has been going and identify opportunities to reduce your costs. And if you're married or live with your partner, making this review process a shared task can be helpful in cutting expenses and increasing savings. Step 2. Put your smartphone to work. Having a budget helps you plan your spending and saving by looking closely at how much money is coming in and going out each month. Budgeting and money-saving apps can help automate your savings, issue overspending alerts, and invest some of your funds. Step 3. Compare other options for your mobile service. Speaking of smartphones and budgets, one area where you may be able to trim expenses is mobile service. An increase in service providers has led to more competition and often lower prices. Companies like Mint Mobile, Ting, and Visible may offer comparable plans with lower monthly price tags than the biggest mobile companies. Doing some research and price comparison may result in a better deal. Keep in mind, if you spend most of your time at home, being connected to your Wi-Fi network can eliminate the need for a supersized and expensive data plan. Step 4. Turn off notifications that want you to spend money. Your smartphone can be a powerful tool in helping you save, yet it can also be a big source of temptation to spend. Promotional emails and app notifications, including those announcing big deals, can persuade you to buy a product you might otherwise have skipped. Consider unsubscribing from those lists and disabling notifications. Step 5. Shrink your utility bills, or avoid letting them grow. You can help reduce heating costs by lowering the thermostat a few degrees or sealing leaks around windows. Step 6. Evaluate your entertainment expenses. Rather than paying a high price for 400 cable TV channels, consider a more affordable streaming service such as Sling, Hulu, or Fubo TV. Amazon Prime members have access to the company's expansive library of shows and movies, although its live TV options are limited. An Amazon Prime membership also comes with the ability to listen to millions of songs and create playlists, which can save you the money of paying for a separate streaming music service like Spotify or Apple Music. Step 7. Take advantage of free local attractions. A little research can help you find fun, affordable attractions and activities in your local area. For instance, some museums and art galleries offer free admission on certain days of the week or month. Libraries may offer passes to zoos or museums on a first-come, first-served basis. Your bank may even offer free access to attractions. For example, Bank of America's Museums on Us program gives the bank's debit and credit card holders complimentary access to more than 225 cultural institutions across the country. Step 8. Be a strategic grocery shopper. While you'll need to keep buying groceries despite higher prices, you can make a more concerted effort to avoid throwing away unused food. U.S. households waste $408 billion in food each year, which comes out to 40% of all food in America, according to nonprofit organization Feeding America. As you make your grocery list, think about what ended up being thrown away last time and how to avoid letting that happen again. The study found that those who made a shopping list before going to the store typically threw away less food, so take extra time to plan out your upcoming meals. Step 9. Break up with brand names. Speaking of groceries, consider whether you really need to pay for expensive brand name foods. A comparison of ingredients and labels on things like noodles, cereal, and spices may show generic alternatives to be just as nutritious and high quality as their top shelf counterparts. The same concept may apply to non-food items such as paper products, hand soap, and laundry detergent. Try to find more affordable alternatives for any such brand name household items you may be buying. You can always switch back to your original choice if you're not happy with a lower priced alternative. Step 10. Compare other banking options. If you're paying service fees for your checking or savings account, it's time to figure out how to reduce those costs. For instance, online-only institutions like Ally Bank and Discover do not charge monthly service fees. Many other bank accounts do charge monthly fees, yet they might be easy to avoid by maintaining a low set minimum balance or by receiving direct deposit of your paycheck. Additionally, online banks often pay some of the highest interest rates on high-yield savings accounts, money market accounts, and CDs. For instance, various online banks currently offer savings account rates more than 15 times the national average rate, and up to 300 times more than what some big brick and mortar banks are paying. Step 11. Compare car insurance rates. If you have a track record of safe driving, it can pay to shop around for another insurance provider that will do a better job of rewarding that good behavior. Compare other insurance quotes with what you currently pay to see how much you can lower your premiums for the same amount of coverage. Those who don't spend much time behind the wheel may be able to cut costs by going with usage-based insurance, which can match coverage based on how much you actually use your vehicle. Step 12. Use coupons and promotional codes. The concept of couponing might sound old school, but finding deals doesn't always require clipping portions of the Sunday newspaper. When you're shopping online, take a few minutes to search for a coupon code when websites offer a promo code box on the checkout page. There are also browser extensions like Honey and Cooper that automatically search for online coupons while you shop. Capital One Shopping is another tool that can find online deals automatically, and it's available to everyone, not just Capital One customers. It works by searching for coupon codes, best prices, and rewards at more than 30,000 online retailers. Step 13. Challenge yourself to a spending freeze. One way that can be effective in taking control of your finances is a spending freeze, during which you cut all unnecessary spending for a set period. This could help you get a sense of just how much you're spending on non-essentials like trips to the coffee shop. The extra money you'll have at the end of the month can be added to savings or used to pay down debt.